Reading challenge.
So many people are searching for happiness like it's lost treasure. But here's the truth: happiness is not something you find; it's something you build. It's not waiting at the end of success. It's not hidden in someone else's love. It's in the small choice you make every day. When you practice gratitude, when you take care of your body, when you choose of peace over drama, when you celebrate little win, that happiness. Stop chasing the big someday. I'll be happy when I gratitude. I'll be happy when I earn more. I'll be happy when someone love me. Because if you can find joy now, you won't suddenly find it later. Happiness is not about everything being perfect. It's about choosing joy, even in the middle of imperfection. So build with your habit, with your mindset, with